Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to set up auto-delete messages on Telegram. So to do that, you have just to go to Telegram, open it, and after that, you have to go to the conversation that you want to set up the auto-delete messages for it. And you have to click on the person like name or chat on the top, and after that click on more and go to enable auto delete and choose how long you want to keep the messages, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or you can choose for like the list that they give you here. I will put it for example to 1 month. And voila, auto delete timer set for 1 month. So as you can see, there is notification also in the conversation that the auto delete is set for 1 month. But there is something that you should know, that the auto delete will affect only messages sent after the timer is enabled. And the older messages in the conversation will remain unless you delete them manually. And also you should know that the countdown begins when a message is sent, not when the same message is read. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.